Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dash Coin. Today I want to share with you a very big bullish reversal setup that the Dash Coin has completed on the monthly time frame chart, and this will be a really very huge move. Now, first of all, I want to share with you my previous idea that I shared at the Patreon. You can see that this was a private chart that I shared at the Patreon, and I predicted that all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish bat. Therefore, the price action can complete the final leg of the bullish bat, and we can catch it here from this dip from $100 to $9,300. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish bat, entered in this buying zone, and after that turned really very strong bullish. This time the price action has formed on the daily time frame chart another bad pattern, and on the monthly time frame chart a bullish cipher pattern. By the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis. Then you can find the link in the video's description I have shared. Now, first of all, let me to show you this chart. This is the bullish bat pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, and we can see that the price action after this extreme sell-off just entered in this buying zone. We have just a spike in this buying zone, and maybe the price action will be moved more down in this buying zone, and we will have another chance to catch it from this dip. And the buying zone starts from $143 and ends up to $133.79. However, if we take a look at the bigger time frame chart, by the way, these are the sell targets for this trade on the daily time frame chart. This is the short trade, and the next one will be the long term. And the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat pattern can be from $167 to $202. Now let's take a look at this monthly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price action has formed this bullish cipher pattern very beautifully and entered here in this buying zone. Okay, this buying zone starts from $196 and ends up to $123, because this is a really very big bullish cipher pattern. Therefore, this buying zone is quite wide. However, we also have this 25 simple moving average as well, and you can see that we are very close to this end of the buying zone. Therefore, at this time, this is the low risk trade. We can buy it from this dip. Maybe it will be moved more down. We will have the chance to catch it at $123, and the sell targets can be from $253 to $390. However, it is also possible that once the price action will be reversed bullish from this buying zone, then it will start a very big move like it did here in this chart. We have seen that this was the daily time frame chart, and after the completion of this bullish bat, the price action even crossed up this sell zone that I defined as per the bullish cipher bullish bat pattern. Therefore, it is also possible that the price action will also cross up this level, this sell zone that I have defined as per the bullish cipher pattern, the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher pattern. At the same time frame, on the monthly time frame chart, the price action is also you can see this is the EMA 21. This red one is the EMA 21. Sorry, this red one is the EMA 21, and this blue one is the EMA 10. And you can see that the price action is at the EMA 10 and 21. Previously, when the price action first time hit here at the EMA 10 and 21, we had a bounce here, but this time we can expect a bigger bounce because the price action has also formed a bullish cipher move here above the EMA 21. And remember, this is the monthly EMA 21. You can see that this is the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, it can be a really very strong support. And at the same time, the price action has also formed this big bullish not the bullish, the falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. And if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this falling wedge from this candlestick up to this end, then we can see that we have the point of control of the volume profile above the resistance of the falling wedge, and we also have the trader's interest even above the resistance, and from the downside we have the trader's interest up to this level. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving in the area where we have the less interest of the traders or weak interest of the traders, it is always moving back to the upside. And we also have the point of control here, this red line. Therefore, the price action can follow the point of control of this volume profile and move at least up to this level, because the point of control always works as a center of gravity for the price action, and the price action always moves around the point of control. So this is a very big bullish setup. This is a bit risky trade because this is on the daily time frame chart. It is possible that the price action may break down here, this flag. In that situation, you can use this $133 as your stop loss. However, this is a very big bullish setup. Therefore, we can expect that from here, from this buying zone, if the price line can start a really very big move like we previously had. And we also have a very big support of 25 simple moving average on the monthly time frame chart, and the EMA 21 as well on the monthly time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And I also hope that you will also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.